So it's Sunday morning, and I decided I was gonna grab this truck and that trailer and come and clean this building. The reason why is because there was a hailstorm about 3 months ago. We had hail damage to our roof. I filed an insurance claim. They said, absolutely, we're gonna replace your roof, but they only sent me about $15,300. And the new roof is gonna cost me $19,000. So I don't wanna come out of pocket because I have the ability to just grab a truck, grab a trailer, come and do a job. What's the takeaway from that? The takeaway is, I'm not on the truck. I don't wash for a living. I run a business for a living. If you're ready to get off the truck, if you're ready to start running your business and not letting it run you, then click on the first link in the description below and you're gonna see what the next level is. The whole point of this course is to get out of your own way. As much as we hate to admit it, as owner-operators, we oftentimes are the biggest bottleneck in our businesses because we haven't figured out the best ways to better manage the tasks that consume our days. I'm going to show you the strategic steps and sequences to help streamline your business so you can take your focus off the mundane, time-consuming tasks that eat away at your most valuable asset, which is time. As your business grows, and I'm not just talking about financial growth, I'm talking about all the tasks that exponentially grow when you get busier and busier. Eventually, you're going to max out your available time per day unless you're able to figure out a way to automate and streamline these tasks. Sure, hiring people and delegating certain responsibilities is something that will eventually need to happen when your business scales to that point. But that's like step 10 in the process, and you need to figure out steps 1 through 9 so you can get to step 10. And if that's where you want to be, then this is the course that's really going to help get you there. Most guys are working 60 to 70 hours a week just to keep up with all the things involved in running a business. And that isn't sustainable. It isn't healthy, and it isn't necessary. I know this because I've been there and I've done it, but I figured it out and now I'm sharing it with you. The whole reason why most people decide to go into business for themselves is for the freedom. Both financial freedom and freedom of time. But 60 to 70 hours a week grinding away sure doesn't sound like freedom to me. Of course, you can make a lot of money doing it like that, but at what cost? Do you want to miss out on your kids' games or their recitals? Do you want to watch your family drive off on the weekends without you because you have to work? Do you want to be on the truck for the rest of your life? Or do you want to retire and enjoy all of the benefits of your hard work? Don't be that guy who can't get off the truck. Be that guy who figures it out and learns how to work smarter and doesn't end up dying on the truck. Look, we have the resources and the technology at our fingertips to make it happen, but you also need to know that there are no shortcuts in business. There is no secret to success. There is no magic bullet or course that's going to make your business grow exponentially. There just isn't. So don't buy into that. This course alone isn't going to make you rich. You have to take control of your future. You have to take control of your time and own every minute you can. You know what your daily tasks are. You know what your typical interaction with a customer looks and sounds like. I'll take you step by step through all of my systems and sequences. And if you implement even a fraction of them to help automate your daily tasks and streamline your business, you're going to be in control of your time. And with that time and your hard work is when you're going to reap the rewards. I'm eliminating your learning curve by taking what took me 20 years of trial and error, ultimately finding the perfect combinations of systems, sequences, and software, which will eliminate the time-consuming, repetitive tasks that suck your time away every single day. The other side of the time equation, which is equally important, is understanding, respecting, and addressing your customers' time. Look, we live in a world that has a culture of impatience, a culture of instant gratification, which means if you don't adapt and become able to meet the needs of potential customers who have that Amazon mentality, you're going to be left in the dust by the guys that do figure it out. Whether you like it or not, instant gratification is the norm. We're constantly plugged in and turned on. We respond in near real time to emails and texts, and technology gives us the ability to upload videos, photos, and status updates. Amazon gives you the ability to order something today and have it delivered tomorrow. Google gives you the answer to almost any question you have right now. We have the ability to make things happen without having to wait, and so do our customers. So if you don't evolve your business to that point, you will lose to your competitors who have. I'll show you the proven marketing techniques that have increased my lead flow, which allows us to increase our ticket prices and weed out the customers and jobs that we don't want. And this is all done through remote quoting and never doing in-person residential quotes again. If you want to learn how to reduce the time spent on daily operations, cutting down on the tasks that slow you down and suck your time away so you can focus on scaling your business, or maybe just giving yourself more time for you, then you're ready for this course. Click the first link below for more information, and don't miss out on the Founders Deal and some of the cost savings and bonuses that go with that. But more importantly, have a great day.